Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your date manipulation action automation for workflows inside your agency and start executing action from your workflow. So let's get started. Inside your agency, you go at the app marketplace to search for the app manipulation. So we click on it, we go at install, we select the sub account where we want the tool to be installed. Let's go for sub account 1. We continue, we go at allow and install, we choose the plan, we confirm the plan, and we automatically open this new window in order to copy the custom menu link URL. So we click here, we make sure it's copied, and then we switch back to the agency in order to create a custom menu link. Back in the agency, we go at the settings, custom menu links, create new. We have to fill this form. So we're going to start by selecting an icon for our custom menu link. As you can see, we have a different icons here. We're down here, we choose a name for our custom menu link. How do we want to name our custom menu link? And next, we paste the custom menu link URL that we copied. We scroll down here, we select an account where we want our tools to be available. And finally, we can select whether we want a particular user to access all information or to all users. When we're done, we make sure we save. Next step is to switch to the sub account in order to connect the tool to the agency. So let's switch to the sub account. Go and look for the custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link Greg app. So if you guys named your custom menu link my tools, make sure you have my tools here. So we go on Greg app. We have apps available and connected apps. So let's search for date manipulation. It doesn't pop up here. It means it's already connected. So let's go at connected apps. There you go. We have date manipulation. Now let's pretend it's not connected yet and we want to get it connected. So we just have to go at setup. There is a credential in order to get the connection going, which is to provide the email address. So just have to type to provide the email address here. Provided an email address and we submit. Bingo. Now the tool is already connected to the agency and we can start executing actions from the workflow. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated support team who is available to want to answer to all your questions. If you enjoyed this video at some point, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you're new here. Please hit our subscribe button below. Thank you for watching.